What is going on, my party people? We out here making moves on a Saturday. Gotta get all situated. It is Lucky Green 13 Saturday. I don't know if I pick these shoes up, do I feel really lucky? But as you can see, it is Who Has the Heat Saturday. The bros going up 10.5 versus CJ the Sneaker Fiend on the Who Has the Heat channel on the YouTube. If you haven't done what your eyes waiting on, this is battle number 3. We going up at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7:30 p.m. Central, 5:30 p.m. Pacific, all that good stuff. We know the Lakers game going to be battling with that. College football, I'm a good mood today. My team, Auburn won. We got Chance, 1-0. Hopefully the Lakers do the done thing today. Also, don't hesitate to check out the home team, PMKICKZ, MCFLYKOF, 313 Retro Queen. All of them make a move. So all of that information will be in the description box below. I know a lot of y'all don't really mess with the description box, but just click the little button and it all drops down and it'll take you to their link. And please don't hesitate to also check out the featured channels. Now, with that being said, I did cop these shoes from Shoe Palace. Shoe Palace is hilarious. I was just messing around, putting in different raffles here and there. I know I don't mess with Shoe Palace, like I said, but if y'all haven't noticed one thing about the sneaker community, it's all about building relationships. That's what you gotta do. You gotta build relationships. So just buy it. Maybe you can dump it, a brick, hold on to it, maybe it go up. But you gotta build those relationships, because then they gonna remember you. I'm a firm believer they remember you. So the next time I come around, a shoe you really want, oh, this guy bought this and bought that. He didn't renege on them. So as you can see, Shoe Palace bag. What I paid for this, not bad. For $190, we don't get no discount, so we got $198. Not bad at all. Now I didn't get a chance to even look at this shoe, so we're gonna open this shoe together. As you can see, come in a typical Jordan 13 box, size 10 PP personal pair. But this PP, poo-poo, whatever you wanna call it, not sure if I'm gonna keep it yet. So let's see. White, Lucky Green, black. So just to retail $190, they actually got Lucky Green on the done box. Are you feeling lucky? Are you feeling lucky today, money? Not really, but hey, it is what it is. You got this, no snap around. You got your little paper wafer right here at the Spectacular. And looky. Here comes Cookie. We have the shoe. And wow. Let's do a quick 360 spin on these. Not bad at all. Definitely not the Ray Allen PE. I don't know, Jordan Brand, y'all swindling us lately on these shoes. I saw that picture of them done, supposed to be allegedly fire red 4s. Don't play with us, Jordan Brand. Do not play with us. And with that done, Pink Panther infrared 4. Let me cool down, let me calm down. This is not about the 4, this is about the Lucky Green, the fake Ray Allen. I'm trying to let this shoe live, give this shoe its own individual identity. If y'all didn't know, this shoe is based off of the Panther, right? You already know this shoe is based off of the Panther. You can see underneath, you got the herringbone traction representing the paws, right, of the Panther. You got an eye right here representing the eye, the greenness. You got your carbon fiber there. You got some carbon fiber here. On the toe box, it's nice and white. The leather is buttery though, it is smooth. You got your Jordan up here. You got your Roman numeral 13 behind there. You got this tumble, rumble. I hope you can see it it's hot as heck today, but you got some tumble, rumble, old rankle, stankle on there. Look at that. Look at that. The Jumpman stitched in is on point. Definitely would need a lace swap on these joints. Maybe I have to find some green if I do decide to keep them. So I'm just sitting on the fence for this, not really sure. As you can see on the side, you got another, all of this tumble rumble. You can see them whiskers, right? Represents the whiskers because you got them little hookahs, the holes. You got the eye right here with the hologram. Coming around on the back, you have this like so, with the green, the Lucky Charm green. And then you got your black sock liner in here, so you ain't got to really worry about black socks. Thank goodness, right? So you got all of this. So you got your whiskers, you got your face. Coming on the media side, you got more whiskers, like I said, just like the Panther. So you got all of this smooth stuff here, and it's always normally black on this thing of the shoe. I mean, it's not a bad shoe. You take out the shoe tree, and it should have this on the shoe, 10 to 10 and a half. Hopefully y'all can see that, right? Like so. And they are factory lace. I didn't even try it on because I already know what size shoe I wear. I don't know if you can see inside, but it is green with the black jump, man. Not much to say. Like I said, you seen 113, you've seen it all. Pretty much they just changed the hits from like, right, you got the Chicago joints, which is normally red. You got the Quinn Richardson, which is blue. Pretty much they just switched this part of the shoe most of the time with the mid always white on the shoe. But other than that, I don't see any real glue stains. Like I said, the leather is really soft. You got the wrinkle stanker right there. So other than that, other than it being a Ray Allen PE knockoff, I mean, not bad at all. Probably the biggest reason I may not keep this shoe being a Laker fan, because this is more of a Celtic colorway, and I can't do Celtic color, give them like the EBGBs, right? I don't know, we'll see. I might eat my words, but it's a decent shoe. I mean, can't complain. If you can get it on the retail about between 150, 160, hey, knock yourself out on this shoe. But I don't know how much resale, y'all. For the resellers out there, this might be a brick. There are a lot of bricks out there, right? You got the alternate 5 bricking, you got the Indigo 12 bricking, you got the Jordan 3, that denim is bricking. But just be patient, because things gonna start to go on sale. Now, on the Little Lit meter, being that I paid full price for this, that's a strike. Another strike is, some people gonna say let this shoe live. I can't go for that. This is a knockoff. So you know what? I'm gonna give it about a 4 point. I'm gonna grade on a curve 4.2 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think. Look like this might be a super GR. I haven't had too much word on the street that this is a really high demand shoe. But like I said, a 4.2 out of 5. So for those of you who copped it today, no, nothing wrong with that. Sometimes you cop because things do move behind the scenes on the low. So 4.2 out of 5. So if you like this video, if you don't like this video, thumbs up, thumbs down. All I want people to do, if you do a thumbs down, just tell me what you didn't like. Most people like, you ain't talking about nothing. I know I don't do the on feet. I know that's an issue. We will and we shall. You got a lot of stuff going on, but I eventually will get around to it. So we're currently on the road to about 7,000. So tell a family member, friend of a friend, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I will see y'all this evening on the Who Has the Heat, the #1 sneaker battle on the tube. You feel me? Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.